to come to my mom's house because we don't have any ditches or hills or ramps to go up on, so they've got this little ditch and we were in it the other way, but he couldn't get underneath there from the side, so we turned it 90 degrees, put the front wheels up on the hill, and now he's got plenty of room. First he has to disconnect the battery. Mind your way. Go ahead.
Not using proper tools.
Okay, as long as you disconnect it.
Oh, don't tell me.
What?
The place I need is on the hill.
Yeah, I wondered about that. Hi.
Hi. Oh, right there. It's still hot. Are you recording?
Yeah.
How long are you gonna record?
You're sexy under a car.
Huh?
You're sexy. Okay, we're going to show you on a 1999 Chevy Suburban where the starter is located. This is the front right tire. As you go up under here, like point to the wires and stuff and what you're gonna do.
Let me get it smaller here. Right there's the starter. I'll put it on, and it's hard to see, it's kind of dark, but back there is wires back in here. One of the wires is loose, so I'm gonna have to pull it back off and tighten up the wires. So I gotta take that bolt off, that bolt off, and then I'll pull that out that way, and then I'll pull it down, and the wires will be where I can get to them and tighten them up. Alright.
And then putting it together is quick.
And putting it together is quick unless you do it wrong, so hopefully I'll do it right this time. Alright.
Well, what's the verdict?
There's too many stickers under there.
So you got under there and everything's tight. Battery back up in just a second. A second ago we heard the doors lock. Don't know how that happened. Isn't that lake beautiful back there?
Just advice. When you lay down in grass that has a lot of stickers, put cardboard, a tarp, or anything else underneath you.
Yeah, this was pretty.
It is painful.
And it took like at least 5 minutes with tweezers even to get them all out. All the stickers.
She would have recorded that if she wasn't the one pulling the tweezers. Using the tweezers. Or me.
Good thing we left the windows down.
No, peas are in there.
I know, I didn't bring mine with me. Alright, moment of truth. It still had a little bit of a lag. We may just have a bad starter.
I think it's just you.
It could be, because it starts for you every time. It probably is me. Well, everything was tight on there, right? And you don't think that you really did very much to it, but maybe, possibly.
Last time I guess when I did it, I tightened it up pretty good with my finger last time.
Yeah.
I tried to tighten it up this time.
Well, if it keeps giving us problems, then I'm guessing it's probably the starter. And it was a new starter. I don't think it was a refurbished one, but we may have to replace it. Hopefully whatever you did, though, worked, and we'll see. We'll just see what happens, I guess, the rest of the week. Thanks, honey.
You're welcome, honey. Bye.
You're so cute. Okay, it's the next morning. I'm going to find out if this starts this morning or not. I want to do a shout out to Chico and Jerri over at He Provides Homestead. They got some great videos over there. I'll put the link in the description. So go check them out. All right. Here we go. Yay! It started for me. Now I can go run some errands in town. So I'm excited. Maybe whatever he did last night worked. Let's try it one more time. Yep. It started. It didn't really even seem to be lagging that much, so. Alright, thanks for watching.
Ow, stickers. That hurt.
I know I shouldn't laugh, but
I'm in a lot of pain, honey.
I know. Getting the battery back up. And dropping the tools. This is such a high step up right here. Hey, who locked me out? I forgot it was locked up.